Yes, students. Today I am going to discuss some important questions regarding current ratio and liquid ratio. How they will be computed. Some important questions of current ratio and liquid ratio. As I told you, liquid ratio is equal to liquid assets or quick assets upon current liability. Liquid assets are called quick assets because they can quickly convert it into cash. And its ideal ratio is 1 is to 1 and the ideal ratio of current ratio is 2 is to 1. So what are liquid assets? Liquid asset means current assets minus inventory minus prepaid expenses. So we will start some examples. For example, current liability given in question 3 lakh, current ratio 3, liquid ratio 1 and calculate inventory. How we can calculate it? While you are doing ratio, just one thing keep it in mind. Whichever ratio is given, start from that ratio. Here current ratio is 3. 3 means 3 is to 1. If it is given 3.5, watch this dot carefully. Whether it is a single dot or double dot. If it is double dot, that means 3 is to 5. If it is single dot, that means ratio is 3.5 is to 1. 3.5 is to 1. So watch this dot carefully in exam. But in this example, current ratio is given only 3. So current ratio is 3 upon 1. That means 3 is to 1. And current assets upon current liabilities. So current assets are not given in question, but current liabilities are given 3 lakh. So we can just simply cross multiply and current assets will become 9 lakh. Next we have ratios, liquid ratio 1. That means 1 is to 1. 1 means 1 is to 1. So liquid ratio is equal to liquid asset upon current liability. Just put that formula and put the information. 1 is to 1 matlab 1 upon 1. Liquid asset we don't know. Current liability 3 lakh. So just cross multiply. Then liquid asset will become 3 lakh. And as we know, as I tell you, liquid asset is equal to current assets minus inventory minus prepaid. Prepaid is not given in question because he asked only for inventory. So liquid assets are 3 lakh is equal to current assets are 9 lakh. Whatever information you calculate, always put that information in box so that examiner can easily see that. So current assets are 9 lakh minus inventory. So inventory comes this side and 9 lakh minus 3 lakh 6 lakh. So inventory 6 lakh, that will be our answer. One more example we have. For example, current ratio is 4.5 is to 1 and liquid ratio is 3 is to 1. Inventory given in question 3 lakh. You have to calculate current liabilities, current assets and quick assets. So how we will start? There is no need to think. Just start from the ratio given in question. As current ratio is given 4.5 is to 1. So let's current assets is 4.5 because no amount is given and current liability is 1. Similarly, liquid ratio is given 3 is to 1. So liquid ratio means liquid assets are 3 and current liability is equal to 1. Just try to reach that information which is given in question. Inventory is given. So as we know, inventory is equal to current assets minus liquid assets like this. Because prepaid is not given in question. So inventory means current assets minus liquid assets. So we just put it. So current assets we assume 4.5 and liquid assets we assume 3. So that means inventory will become 1.5. So now just put the statement unitary method. Keep it in mind. We will start the investment. We will start the statement which is double in question, and we is after equal we will put what we have to calculate. For example, if inventory is 1.5, then current liability we have to calculate. So current liability is 1. So if inventory is 3 lakh which is given in question, then current liability will be 1 upon 1.5 into 3 lakh. Just remove the decimal, put 10 here. And when we will solve it, 15 2s are 30. That means current liability will come 2 lakh. Now just simply put the formula. Current ratio is equal to current asset upon current liability. 4.5 upon 1 given in question. Current assets are not given, but current liability we have calculated 2 lakh. Just cross multiply. 2 lakh multiply 4.5. So current assets will become 9 lakh. Similarly, liquid ratio is equal to liquid asset upon current liability. So liquid ratio 3/1. Liquid assets not given in question. And current liability 2 lakh. So just cross multiply 2 3s are 6. So liquid asset will become 6 lakh. Thank you.